Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Papi Vodka back at it again with another makeup video. Listen, I know it's been a while, but you know what? I really needed a break. I didn't have a break, but makeup videos are so hard to make, but this is my passion. So you know what? I'm back at it again, and today I'm gonna bring you a tutorial. Since my last tutorial, my makeup has evolved a lot. I learned a lot of stuff. It's 1.5 years since I started doing makeup. And you know, I want to come back and do a tutorial for you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do the perfect dark brown to black eyebrow. Okay? And this is going to be a glam tutorial. This is not going to be no everyday, no soft glam. This is going to be full glam eyebrow. Very dramatic, but you know, that doesn't look crazy. This is the way I do it. So if you're looking for an everyday eyebrow, you know, just to fill your eyebrow low-key, I'm going to do a tutorial for that. But today we're going to focus on a full glam, beautiful, full eyebrow. And we're going to fill it in, you know. I'm going to do my tutorial. And I know a lot of people are scared to using black with eyebrows. And don't be afraid. Your hair, if your hair is black or very dark brown, don't be afraid of it. You know, you're matching it. And if you're just like rocking a bold eyebrow moment, go for it. There's no rules to makeup, you guys. You know, people say there's these rules, and there's not. There really isn't. Makeup is one size, like Patrick Star says. There's no rules. It's one size fits everybody. So don't listen to that. Anywho, let's start with the tutorial. Oh my god, I can't blink. I feel like Rihanna now. Let me try. Well, you guys, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna do just one eyebrow and then gonna show you the result. Okay, so we're gonna start with this eye. And the first things first, I want y'all to prime your eyes like you will always prime. So, you know, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Concealer and in the shade 260 or 240 if I'm not mistaken. And you're just gonna prime your eye like you would do any other day. Okay, you guys, now this eye is prime. And you guys, generally, I don't like cleaning up the eyebrow. On this tutorial, we're not gonna clean out with concealer. So just prime your eye with concealer or eye primer. If it's too light, go in with some eyeshadow. You can do it after. It's not necessary. I really don't like cleaning the eyebrows. I don't think it's necessary at all. Okay, you guys, for this tutorial, we're gonna need 3 things. First, we're gonna need an eyebrow brush. I'm using the Morphe M158. Generally they come like this. I know there's different brushes, so generally they come together, one side for the eyebrow and one for like blending, but sometimes they come in like different brushes, and that's totally fine. And then we're gonna need okay, so then we're gonna need 2 products. We're gonna need an eyebrow gel, deep brow. I love using gel, especially if you have fuller eyebrows. You really should go for gel, and it blends amazing. So I'm going for the, you know, the Anastasia on Ebony. This is the darkest brown you'll find. So go for any dark brown, go for any dark brown gel liner. Also the Juvia's Place brown liner or any brow liner works just fine, so don't worry about it. And then we're gonna need some black gel liner, okay? So I'm using today the LA Girl eyeliner, so we're gonna need this too. Okay, you guys, if you have the Anastasia brow gel brow, how you say this? Deep brow pomade, okay? That's how you say it. If you have this, I'm gonna give you a pro tip if you didn't know. Only just from the side to there. Don't go from the top and go up to the bottom. Go from side to side, and every time you use it, you close it. You don't leave it open, and it's gonna last you for a long time. This one is over a year now, so you know what? It's gonna last, and it works like it was new. So you're just gonna feel your little brush moment over there, and we're gonna close it because it's gonna dry up and we don't want it, so we're gonna close this. It doesn't have to be fully closed, but make sure it's like closed. So we're gonna do a line on where you want the eyebrow to begin. This is my natural eyebrow, but I want my eyebrow to begin a little bit closer. So, you know, we're gonna draw a line, and we're just gonna first fill the bottom line the bottom line where we want this eyebrow to be. That is the line. This is where I want all my eyebrows to go all over there. And if I, okay, so another tip is like, this is how pomades and gel liners work. They're gonna be creamy and then they're gonna dry up. So if you mess up, just use your finger and rub it up before it dries up. So okay, that's where I want my eyebrow to be. So we're gonna still have some product and we're gonna go on the top where I want it to be also. Again, you see I did a little bit thicker, so you don't mind, you just wipe it off and do it again. Okay, so now we're going back with it and I'm gonna do the line where I want it to be. Okay, y'all got it? So this is where, well, my top eyebrow I want it to be. So now with the little excess I have, I'm just gonna do like hair-like strokes where I want to fill. So I'm gonna go in with the hair-like strokes all over the way until where it arches, where the arch is, all over there. And now with this part of the brush, we're just gonna go and blend that in. We're gonna go from the bottom to the top and we're gonna blend that in very well. And we're gonna go with a little bit less strength on the hand from the top to the bottom. And we are gonna blend that in. If you go too hard on it, the line is gonna low-key fade and we don't want that. So we're gonna go a little bit over it again. We don't want it to be like, hey, I'm here. We wanna, bam, I'm here, bitch. But the front, this area, we don't want no lines in there, you guys. They gotta blend with our eyebrow because we don't want blocky eyebrows. We really don't want that. We want to go from nothing to full on eyebrow. You know what I'm saying? So that's what you want. You can use your finger a little bit at the beginning. I really like my eyebrows to be at the beginning very like, you can see hair-like and then it goes to brow. So you can do that. And we're gonna just do some touches here and there. Okay, now that the beginning it's blended, we're gonna, you know, feel very well. Okay, we're filling the eyebrow in. And I mean, this is not mandatory, but it's always nice when the bottom is closer in than the top, because that way you can get closer and they don't look like blocky. They look like more, you know, upwards. And yeah, it looks thick because this eyebrow is actually thicker than this one. That's why this one is thick, but I'm gonna, you know, match it up. Okay, so now we got the beginning done with the deep brow, with the darkest brown you can find. Now we're gonna do the tail of the eyebrow with black liner, guys. So I'm going with my LA Girl black liner, and I'm just gonna go in with the same brush, and you know, we're gonna get a little bit of black liner on there. And now we are going to the tail of the eyebrow. So look, you gotta be kind of careful with this, but trust the process, you guys. So first, I like doing the tail where I want my eyebrow to end. Okay, that's where I want my eyebrow to go. And then I do the curl. Okay, you see I mess up a little bit, and then you put your finger and it's gone. So then you go and do this part a little bit again. Don't worry about it. And then you just like, now you got that done. I'm gonna grab more black liner. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab more black liner and I'm gonna just fill that eyebrow. And we're just gonna focus on this part. We're gonna make it very dark, you guys. Don't be scared. It's just the bottom of the eyebrow. It's just the bottom. Okay, you guys, I know it looks crazy because they're thick and black, but if your eyebrow is thinner, it's gonna look better. I did this one thicker because this one is a little bit thinner, but I like very bold, glam eyebrows. And this is how I do it. I know it looks crazy, I know it looks dark, but you have black hair, you're just matching it. And that's how I like to do them, from dark brown to black. You don't want to do the whole thing black because they're going to be extremely bold. You like a balayage. That's the nice thing about eyebrows. You want to do a balayage from light to dark. It's going to give you a nice look. I know it looks kind of crazy, but trust the process, you guys. Now that I finished that up, look, we don't need no cleaning. We don't need no concealer over there. We don't need that. That's not necessary. That's all you need. Take your time and it's gonna turn out nice. Okay, now I'm gonna finish my glam. I'm gonna pour this up. You're gonna see how cute this is gonna look. And I'll see you in 2 seconds. Well, you guys, this is the final result. And yeah, I told you to trust the process. This is obviously an eyebrow that I do for full glam. A color for eyeshadow, glitter, bold lip, contour, and all of that. You know what? And I lit it because I really want to see black on my eyebrows to match my hair. Well, anyway, guys, I can speak. Well, anyways, you guys, I hope you guys liked this tutorial. I had so much fun doing it, and I'll be making more tutorials for you guys. Please subscribe, and for more makeup tutorials, more makeup, more drag, beauty, just subscribe, okay? And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.